What's going on, guys? So, decided that tomorrow is probably going to be the day that I go ahead and take the transmission into work, get it power washed. Kind of running out of nice days to do it, so got to get it done. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day. Today was cold, so got to get it done. Alright, so as you can see, things real dirty, real greasy. I'm not sure what degreaser I'm going to use on it yet, because I used everything that I had remaining on the engine bay, the car. So I'll see what we got at work. So now I'm going to get this thing loaded in the car, and I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. So I just realized I did like the dumbest thing ever. Really, by carrying that transmission out there, because I had it sitting on a rolling dolly this whole time. Sure, it has some stuff on it, but it would have been a lot easier than just carrying it out there. Shit, I could have even set it on that little stool and rolled it out there. But guess you never learn. Alright, so we got all the nonsense off there. See how dirty this thing is.